The Steel Mace Dragon Punch is all about timing, okay? Now, this is a little bit more of an advanced movement, mainly because if you get it wrong, it can hurt the knuckles quite a bit. So, the Dragon Punch, what you're going to do is either coin flip or we're going to a hinge. What the mace is going to do is come up and round, and rather than catch the mace, you're going to momentarily balance the mace on your knuckles, and then you push the knuckles away, it pushes the mace away, and you effectively do a bit of a coin flip, but without actually ever holding on to the mace. The trick is not to literally punch the mace or let the mace land on the fist. The trick is to meet the mace and absorb the momentum. So I'm going to use the second hand here just to slow it down. So we come up as the mace comes round, rather than keeping the fist still and let contact happen. The mace comes up, you put your fist out ready, and then as the mace gets closer, you pull your fist back to absorb the energy. There'll be a brief moment where the mace is weightless, and then you push back to send the mace away. So a little bit faster. I'm going to do this with a hinge. I'm going to hinge up, coin flip, push, and catch. Hinge up, absorb, push, and away. Start that slowly, and I suggest do it on a soft surface. You're probably going to drop it for the first few times. But give that a go. Remember, absorb the energy of the mace to save those knuckles. Have fun with that. Stick it in your flows. Show me what you got.